In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PNG to vector in Figma. If you've ever tried to scale a logo or icon and watched it get blurry, this workflow will save you time. We'll take a regular PNG and turn it into crisp, editable vector shapes right inside Figma using a plugin, so you can scale and refine it without losing quality. Start by opening your Figma file that contains the image you want to convert. Make sure the PNG is on the canvas and visible. It helps to zoom in a bit so you can clearly see the edges you're about to trace. If your PNG has a transparent background, that's great. If it's on a solid background, high contrast between the subject and the background generally produces a cleaner result. Next, click to select the PNG layer. You can do this on the canvas or from the Layers panel. Confirm that you're selecting the actual image and not a frame or group around it. Keeping only the layer you want highlighted ensures the plugin focuses on the right thing. Now open the Actions menu and head to Plugins and Widgets. This is where you'll access tools that extend Figma's built-in features. With the image still selected, we'll launch the tracing tool from here so it knows what to process. In the search field, type Image Tracer and open it. Image Tracer is designed to analyze a raster image and rebuild it as vector paths. When it opens, you'll see options that control how detailed and how colorful the final vector will be. Don't worry if it looks like a lot. Small adjustments go a long way. Take a moment to adjust the settings, then click Place Tracer Vector. If your PNG is a simple black and white mark or an icon, choose a monochrome mode and increase contrast or threshold until edges look solid. For multicolor graphics, choose a color mode and set the number of colors to match the complexity of your image. Fewer colors yield simpler vectors and smaller file sizes. Use smoothing to reduce jagged edges and tweak corner or curve settings to keep sharp points when you need them. Noise removal helps eliminate tiny specks that you don't want traced. Preview when available and aim for the cleanest shape with the fewest paths. When you click Place Tracer Vector, the plugin will insert a new vector on your canvas, typically above or near your original image. Keep the original PNG for comparison and inspect the vector by zooming in. You can ungroup if needed, edit individual paths, change fills and strokes, and scale freely without losing clarity. If the result feels too complex, rerun the trace with fewer colors or higher smoothing, and that's it. You've converted your PNG into a clean, editable vector in Figma.